Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn and Walking Lady. So we are on the island of Ukulhas, which is right here, and this is a local island in the Maldives, and we're going to just take a walk from here to find a beach. So we kind of landed here and we went along that way to our hotel, and Walking Lady found a shark. Where?
There, if you will run, you will see.
Okay, so I think she found a shark or something here. Oh yeah, there's like a huge one.
There are family, three.
That is a
Oh
shark.
my God, there's a lot.
Wow,
See, look at that.
that's too many.
Yes, see?
Okay,
You can see now, right?
guys, I'm just going to open my phone and try to take a quick video. So we found a family of sharks on Ukulhas in the
careful.
Maldives,
I don't know how to
and
swim.
I see one there, two, I think three. Father, mother, and the kid. That's what I'm
It's a
thinking.
lot. See? The water is so clear, you can really see.
You can actually see them, guys,
Yes.
and they look so clear. I cannot believe this.
Oh, that's the reason why we can see them, because the water is so clear. It's like
Yeah.
family.
Look at it, and they're kind of running away from us.
Yeah.
But these sharks are
There's
very
another one here.
Where?
Close, there.
Oh, I think they're looking for fish or food.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're looking for
Okay,
fish.
so I think it's very right?
Yeah,
The guy over there sitting,
yeah.
he was laughing at me, like
No,
smiling.
no, for him it's nothing. He
It's
sees
like-
this every day.
Yes, for us it's
For
like
us, it's a big deal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's walk this way. I want to
Okay.
show the Bank of Maldives, and
And we will go to by the beach, right? There.
yeah,
Like different side of the beach. This is already beach, right? But we're going there.
yeah.
Yeah. The guy, I said that the hotel guy told us there are many stingray there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, you wanna check if you can see stingray?
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so and it looks like
That's the guy who was laughing at me.
oh, yep.
I thought I was just,
Seeing wrong?
looking like it's not real, but
Yeah, yeah,
later
no.
I see that it's moving.
Wait, let's check quickly here. There might be something here too. Okay, no, not now.
No.
I think if you bring tuna and throw it, you'll see lots of them coming. Yeah,
Oh, it's getting cloudy now.
yeah, that's true. But it's still on. It's only like 4:15.
Still early.
So 4:15, Maldivian time. And okay, watch your step here. And there's like a few grocery stores and Celeste restaurant right there. And then we have Bank of Maldives ATM machines, which has two actually USD and Maldivian rupee. They
I thought I saw something on
dispense both. I think you will see lots of these things.
that's true.
We can come back here tomorrow again in the evening. So right now we are trying to go like a little bit that way and see if we can, go to a beach.
I thought you will show the Bank of Maldives.
Yeah, I should.
Okay.
Yeah. And we did another video walking on the main street on the island of Ukulhas. So there are no traffic lights, there are no signals, there are no there's no traffic, there's nothing. It's a very peaceful walk, and you cannot get lost on this island because it's such a small island. I think these people are coming back from tour.
Yeah.
And this is their buggy. The hotel buggy came to pick them up. And there's a Canny hotel on the right. Looks like a big hotel. And then it looks like there's
It's not
school,
done yet.
a school or soccer field or something.
Yeah,
Kids
you
are
can-
playing there.
yeah. We cannot focus much our camera there. They are kids.
And then we
Fuel
have,
corner.
oh, this is like, I think they buy fuel for the boat and stuff. Okay, I hope this is not dead end.
The guy said here,
What?
I'm not sure. Here.
The stingray?
Yeah, like here.
Okay, then let's see if you can see some stingray.
I think for the local people here, it's very normal to see the shark and the stingray.
Oh, I saw huge fish. I don't think stingray, but I saw huge fish there. Oh, look at there, lots of fish here.
Where?
They're there, I saw them. Okay, maybe you wanna come here.
Oh, there's a crab.
Where?
There, I did the stove, the wrap.
Crab?
There.
Oh yeah, there's a crab there. It's kind of blended.
Yeah, now it's not moving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wait, I wanna check here. Okay, there's nothing here, but I'm pretty sure they're hiding somewhere. And they're gonna come. But I know they come out a lot in the evening. So tomorrow we have to come here to, like, you know, catch them. Yeah.
Oh, more crabs. There.
Where? Whoa,
Yeah,
look at
this
those
one.
crabs.
Yeah.
So guys, there are like a couple of crabs they're sitting. I don't know, no, I think they're frogs, no?
Oh, they're frogs.
I'm not sure, but
No, they're crabs.
look, another one. Another one there on that rock.
Yeah, I see that there.
Yeah,
It
another
is
one.
crab, not
Okay.
frog.
Okay, so
The question is, it can be eaten or not,
that I don't know. Yeah,
right? Some seafood is kind of poisonous.
yeah, that's true.
But just eat, right?
Yeah. And here,
So another crab.
but
Oh,
there's some fishes there. You see?
yeah, I see.
Yeah,
Little,
and
little.
under, if you look even under, I saw more fishes.
Yeah.
They're hiding.
But you know, I think there are so many crabs here.
Yeah.
Oh, another one, big one there.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah.
Ew, that's so huge.
If this can be eaten, people will not be so hungry. They can just get it fresh and cook.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. I saw another fish.
I think.
Yeah, I see lots of fish here.
Oh, I think this guy wants food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
So do you want to go to the shore?
No, not this way. This is not the way. I think we have to go. This is just garbage. Yeah, I think they do something here. What is this? Oh.
So
Okay.
where is the school here?
That I don't know, but this couldn't be a part of school.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
They play like this?
Yeah, that's true.
Like long pants and long sleeves.
Yeah, but I think they're used to it, so they don't feel hot.
They are
for-
not allowed to wear shorts, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. But if you're a foreigner, you can wear. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I will be so warm, you know. It's
Yeah,
like-
that's true.
Oh, I think this is the school.
It can be. It is the school. Yeah.
Okay. Do you
Okay.
want to go inside?
No, I don't think we can go inside. Oh, we're gonna go around and try to go for the beach.
Okay. Oh, it's a park. It's a park.
Yeah, it's a park.
Oh, there's another haircut there.
Where?
Let's go.
Okay, we're gonna ask them how much. I'm looking for a
the...
haircut and color. So I think these are the only two hair shops on the island.
No, it's open.
It's open?
Hello.
Hello.
Ah, I'm
Sorry, what time you open tomorrow? Tomorrow, what time you open?
Morning.
Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow.
Morning 9 o'clock.
9 to?
9 o'clock.
And what time you open? Close?
12.
2. Sorry?
12.
12?
And 12 close. 1:30 open.
Okay.
Night 7 close.
7 close, okay.
7 close. 8 open.
Okay.
8 close. Night.
Oh. You know, maybe you may want to write down the schedule.
Okay, maybe you want to do it now or?
No, not now. I'm not prepared.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Can you say it again to me? Like what time it opens tomorrow?
Morning 9 o'clock open. And
Okay.
12 close.
9 to
So 9
12.
to 12.
Okay.
Okay, 9 before 12 then. Okay.
And then again, he has more time. 1:30, right? He said 1:30 again.
Yeah.
And then close again?
7.
Oh, 1:30
okay,
to
so
7.
9 to 12, 1:30 to 7.
How much haircut and color for this hair?
Color and
Color and haircut. How much?
Rupiah no.
Yeah, rupiah.
Rupiah.
Yeah.
150.
150. Okay, we'll come back maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
I think.
Morning? Do you want morning?
Yeah, morning, afternoon is. I think afternoon is better.
Like 1 o'clock. Oh.
Yeah, after like 1:30.
1:30.
Oops.
Thank you.
Thank you. much he said? 150? 150. Oh, that's really. Hello.
You want to have coffee now? It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock? No, no, not here. It's too early. I think we might.
4:30?
Yeah.
We will come back. Okay. It's good to see you. Oh, the name is very encouraging.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Oh, I thought you were telling him good to see you.
No, the name of the restaurant. I mean the coffee shop is good to. It's good to see you.
So he is asking for like $15. Haircut and color.
I think
that's
yeah,
very
that's
good price.
That's good. Yeah.
That's really good price.
Yeah. Imagine haircut and color.
Yeah.
That's already cheap, you know.
Yeah. So you got Papa Fish excursions. So I see lots of like an excursion and tour stores here on along this way, and we are trying to get to the beach right now.
Here's a big park.
Yeah, that park is huge. So they have like some nice parks. We saw that in on Digura too, and this is another hotel, Island Home Inn. And this hotel, it could be like same like our hotel. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
it looks like guest house.
so that's what I was telling you. See, you have like lots of
There's
nice
like a
places to
coffee shop
sit,
here
coffee shop, enjoy and relax.
Yeah.
You can eat
And you
and
can
just
see
sit on the
view.
chair. Yep. But what I want to do, I want to just go a little bit further to the water. Oh, what they're doing there? The kids are wrestling on sand.
Oh,
And
this is a restaurant.
that's the
really
restaurant.
cool.
That's the restaurant. So
Yeah,
I
you
think
can eat there.
you can eat there. And
Okay, you want to go there?
yeah, I want to just have a quick look. How's the
Here's the good way.
which way?
That is not a good way.
Oh yeah, that's.
See, you can also
Think of this place. We had a similar place in Digura like this.
yeah, like sharp. Some
Yeah,
part is
some
sharp.
rock. Okay.
Close to the sandbank.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
No, don't go there.
Oh, you don't want?
No, this is not a beach.
Oh, you don't.
I'm looking for a real beach. Like they have very nice beach.
Okay,
But
then
we-
let's go farther.
yeah, we have to just find it. And this island has like longer bikini beach than most of the other islands.
That's a big restaurant.
Yeah, that's a
But
good restaurant too. See, there's another restaurant here.
The name is Sora.
Sora. Oh, okay, yeah. And also this is there. I think you can sit here on the left.
You
And
just have to come here and sit
and this
down.
one looks a little bit nicer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
looks like-
this area looks a little bit nicer. Yeah, so I don't mind sitting at one like this, but for now I just have a glimpse of the beach first,
Yeah.
because that's where people here come for. Whoa, look at those huts kind of thing.
Oh,
I think you can sit on these.
there's also three.
Yeah, so in Maldives you don't have to pay for this. You can use anything. It's all provided for free. Oh god, that's beautiful.
Give a shot for me.
This is beautiful. I think you have to go down to get a good shot.
Yeah. It's very nice, you know. Like you can just move, sit farther and relax.
And look at the shell here. See the shell?
What's that?
Here.
Oh, yeah.
And this one has no cushion.
Decoration is like the.
Yeah.
Oh, this one I think you can just like.
Let's go down here a
with
little
your
bit.
feet.
Let's go down here a little bit.
Okay, let's go. Always be careful when
Whoa.
going down.
Huh?
Very,
Yeah, but just.
I think.
Oh, I think you have to keep going. Yeah, then. Wait, no, don't leave here. Hold on. Just you can. So guys, we stopped there to take some pictures and videos, and the scenes were amazing. Oh, here they have something. Look, nice decorations there.
This is beautiful. I'm telling you, this is beautiful.
That's beautiful too. Yeah,
Yes.
but we can come here when less people.
Yeah.
We know where to go, so we can come here when less people. Now it's just kind of too crowded. So,
And some people are snorkeling.
oh wait, I saw it has Ostrov.
What?
I don't think we can come here. I think it's their own private beach.
Oh.
Yeah.
not public.
I think that section is kind of their
Private,
I think. Yeah.
So it's like part of their hotel.
You can walk on
guest
here.
house.
Yeah, it's like, you know, they're like, you know, provided for them.
Oh, I don't want to walk now.
So you can walk up to the middle, but for now we decided not to because there's a good gap there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna go a little bit further and just show you guys, but we have video coming up showing the entire beach. We're gonna circle around the entire beach later.
Yes. I
and,
always say yes.
and the thing is, Ukulhas has one of the longest bikini beaches
Yeah.
comparing other.
It's like you can wear bikini here
Yep.
every time you want.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. You can wash your feet with the
Feet, yeah, that's
yeah, because like now it's
no, but if you wash it, it's gonna get worse, I think.
yeah, I know.
It's better not to wash. Man, that's Maldives.
Yes.
You have to look at the sand, how fine it is, the sand, and white, and all of these islands, they're coral islands, and you're not gonna find this like anywhere else on earth.
From here I can see one empty island.
Oh, there's an island there.
It's like
Yeah.
empty, right?
It's uninhibited. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. I see lots of
So
people,
I think
local
some
people.
island is empty.
Yep.
I don't know why.
They're not inhabited. No one lives there.
Okay.
You cannot live. They have 1190 islands. So there's no way you can have people on every one of
all
them.
over the island. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think they're doing gym class.
What is gym?
I think so.
Oh. I don't think we can do it, right?
You can just like not go close. From
not,
far is okay.
Not focusing them.
Yeah. But you know, look at the beach. I cannot believe this.
I will just focus it to us, so it's not focusing to them.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. And look at the kids here playing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I love Maldives now, you know. It's very relaxing, very too much nature, you know.
Yep.
I love the beach
Yeah.
and people are nice. You know?
Wait, you know, feel the sand. It's like butter.
Oh yeah, very fine.
The sand, guys, feels like butter. Really smooth and fine.
Yeah.
That's the difference between coral.
Very fine, you know.
Yeah, very fine. That's what, you know, coral can do.
Now my slipper's dirty.
Our hotel has the, like, you know, tap, right? For
Yeah.
yeah.
We can wash before we go inside.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's another part of the.
Yeah. I think you could just circle around the whole entire.
Because we are on
beach.
the island, right? So
Yeah.
you just have to walk around the island.
Yeah.
You cannot go anywhere.
Yeah. So guys, for today we're going to end our video here. However, we're planning to circle around the island and show more of Ukulhas later on. So thank you for watching, and
And
we'll
see you in the next one.
next video.